pondered why ISO and cloud framework are crucial in the realm of cybersecurity? In our increasingly digital world, where bytes and pixels constitute the fabric of our everyday lives, cybersecurity has evolved from being a niche concern to a global priority. As we navigate this digital landscape, two terms frequently surface in discussions about data security: ISO and cloud framework. ISO, or the International Organization for Standardization, is an independent, non-governmental international organization that develops and publishes standards. When it comes to data protection, ISO sets the bar high. It establishes international standards for data protection, ensuring that organizations worldwide follow a unified code of conduct when it comes to handling and securing data. ISO standards are not just about setting rules, they're about creating a culture of security, a world where data protection is not an afterthought, but a fundamental part of how businesses operate. Next, let's talk about the cloud framework. With the rapid advancement of technology, data storage has shifted from physical servers to the nebulous world of the cloud. But what exactly is this cloud? It's not some mystical entity hovering in the sky, but a network of servers that store data and run applications. The cloud framework provides a scalable and flexible solution for data storage and security. It allows businesses to manage and protect their data in an efficient and cost-effective manner without the need for extensive physical infrastructure. The cloud framework not only simplifies data management but also enhances security, offering robust protection measures to safeguard data. So, why are ISO and cloud frameworks so important in cybersecurity? Simply put, they provide the structure and the tools necessary to protect our data in this digital age. They ensure that data protection is not a haphazard process, but a well-organized, systematic approach that keeps pace with the evolving cyber threats. The significance of ISO and cloud framework in cybersecurity is undeniable. But what exactly are these components and how do they function? To answer these questions, let's dive deeper into the components of ISO and explore the cloud framework in the upcoming scenes. Scene script. ISO, or the International Organization for Standardization, is more than just a standard-setting body. Let's delve into its key components. First off, let's focus on ISO 27001, a standard that's specifically related to information security. ISO 27001 is an international standard on how to manage information security and is applicable to all types of organizations. It's built around a process-based approach for establishing, implementing, operating, monitoring, maintaining, and improving your information security management system. Now, let's discuss the importance of risk assessment. Risk assessment is one of the core components of ISO 27001. It's all about identifying potential threats and vulnerabilities and assessing the impacts these could have on your organization's critical information assets. This is not a one-time activity, but rather an ongoing process of identifying, treating, and managing the risk throughout the life of the organization. Next up is the establishment of a security policy. This policy sets the direction for information security within an organization. It's a high-level plan that describes how an organization will manage and control its information security, often including roles and responsibilities, to whom the policy applies, the scope of the policy, and how exceptions to the policy will be handled. Moving on to the implementation of security controls. These controls are the countermeasures or safeguards that address the risks identified during the risk assessment process. They're designed to reduce or eliminate the identified risks and can be anything from policies and procedures to technical tools like firewalls and encryption. Finally, we have continuous monitoring and review. This is an essential part of maintaining and improving an information security management system. It involves regular auditing and reviewing of the system to ensure it's functioning as it should and identifying opportunities for improvement. Now that we have a firm grasp on the components of ISO, it's time to switch gears and explore the cloud framework. The cloud framework, a modern-day marvel, is transforming the way we store and secure data. But what are its components? At its core, the cloud framework is a complex structure comprising three fundamental building blocks: Infrastructure as a Service or IaaS, Platform as a Service or PaaS, and Software as a Service or SaaS. Each component plays a vital role in creating a comprehensive cloud solution. Let's delve deeper into these components. First up, Infrastructure as a Service. IaaS is the foundation of the cloud framework. It provides the raw computing resources needed for the cloud. This includes servers, storage, and networking hardware, among other things. Companies using IaaS have the advantage of not having to invest in costly hardware and can instead rent these resources as per their needs. Moving on to the second component, Platform as a Service. PaaS is the middle layer of the cloud framework. It provides a platform that includes the operating system, database, and web server, allowing developers to build, test, and deploy their applications without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. PaaS simplifies the development process and accelerates the time to market. Finally, Software as a Service. SaaS is the topmost layer of the cloud framework. This is where users interact with the cloud. SaaS delivers applications over the internet on a subscription basis. These applications could range from email services to customer relationship management software. The beauty of SaaS is that it eliminates the need for users to install and run applications on their own computers or in their own data centers. In essence, the cloud framework is a three-tiered structure, with each tier offering a unique set of services. Together, they form a complete cloud solution that is scalable, flexible, and cost-effective. With a clear understanding of ISO and cloud framework components, it's essential to summarize what we've learned. Recapping the key points aids in cementing the knowledge we've gained about ISO and cloud framework in cybersecurity. We've come a long way, delving into the fascinating world of ISO and cloud framework in the sphere of cybersecurity. Let's take a moment to review the important points we've covered. The International Organization for Standardization, or ISO, plays a pivotal role in cybersecurity. It lays out standards that help organizations establish, implement, maintain, and continually improve an information security management system. These standards are a result of international consensus and are crucial for ensuring that organizations are adhering to globally recognized best practices. Getting into the specifics, we learned about the key components of ISO. These include risk assessment, security policy, organization of information security, asset management, human resource security, and physical and environmental security, among others. Each component plays a unique role in fortifying an organization's security posture. On the other side of the spectrum, we have the cloud framework. This is a critical tool that allows businesses to leverage the power of cloud computing while ensuring the safety of their data. The key components of the cloud framework that we've explored include cloud infrastructure, cloud platform, and cloud software. Each of these components work in conjunction with one another to offer scalability, flexibility, and security in a cloud environment. It's important to understand that both ISO and cloud framework are not standalone solutions to cybersecurity challenges. They are part of a larger ecosystem that ensures data security and the smooth functioning of digital systems. They need to be implemented and managed effectively to reap their benefits. In the world of cybersecurity, knowledge is power. The more we understand about these frameworks and standards, the better equipped we are to safeguard our digital assets. So keep exploring, keep learning. Remember, understanding ISO and cloud framework is the first step to implementing robust cybersecurity measures.